Hey there, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply build a successful Shopify store in no more than 10 minutes. So let's start. What I highly recommend is that you start building a website with me. And how you can start is just by clicking down below to the description on the link, so you will get a 14-day free trial from Shopify. No credit card required. That's awesome. So right when you're gonna click on the link down below in the description, you will get on the Shopify store, and all you have to do is just start free trial. Now you're just gonna add here your email address. And I will edit password, and then you just add and create your store name and just name it My Shopify Store 1. Now tell us a little about yourself. Are you already selling? I'm just playing around, just choose which one is the right for you. Or I'm not selling product yet. What is your current revenue? I'm just getting started, up to 5,000 if you have already WordPress site or something like that. Which industry will you be operating in? Let's go furniture. Next. Now you just add here everything. Add address so you can get paid. Okay. Nice. Enter my store. You can also register it as your business. And then we're here in our magic place. So on the left side, we are going to see menu here. And in the middle, we're going to see our dashboard, where you can see the news from Shopify, some free one-on-one Shopify training they offer. And then you can just also select the plan here. So let's start. First, we see orders here. You're going to select all the orders that you're going to get from your customers. Then we have a products here. We will get here in a minute. And you're going to select the inventory, purchase orders, transfers, collections, and gift cards. Then we're going to select the customers. This is important if you're going to have a newsletter, which we are going to create also. And then we see analytics. We're going to select all the orders here, etc. Marketing. We can create campaigns, like Shopify email is now available. Abundant checkout emails by Shopify. You can also create it, or marketing apps, as you can see it here. Campaigns, you can create a campaign. Automation. And then we select discounts here, that you can create a discount code. And then we select the apps that you can also use for your Shopify store. And then the last and most important thing is the online store. And we will customize also our store, and we will choose some free themes here. And the last thing that you're going to see in the left down corner is settings. And you can easily change the locations, the payments here, that if you want to have Stripe or PayPal, and then also the billing or the taxes here, and shipping and delivery if you want to create a free shipping in Shopify and really just choose what you want. So let's just start first with the products. That's the most important thing. And then we will go to create a theme. Now you can import products or add a product. We are going to add a product. Now I'm going to write here Nike shoes 2020 summer edition. Now I would just add the description. I recommend really create a good text, because this is SEO important. So when you're going to someone search for your shoes, and you're going to have the summer edition, the Nike shoes there, and how good it is, it's going to work well for you. Then we're going to select the media here. Let's just add a photo of shoes. Here we go. Then we get price here that I'm going to add. Of course, if you're from the USA, you're going to see the dollars. And let's go with 29. That's a bad price. 59. You can also choose compare price if you want to. Then cost per item. You can have okay, what is the cost for you? And the customers won't see it. So let's say 15. And you can also charge tax on this product, but you don't need to. If you have it as an inventory, you can have the SKU and barcode here. Quantity, how many of them you have. You don't need to track the quantity if you have unlimited and if you have already drop shipping. And also this is physical product, or it is. So you're gonna like weight. Let's go like this. 0.8 kilo. Country of origin, you can go like choose it if you want to. United States. And voila, then you can like also add variants. Size, let's go like with 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46. Okay. And you can also change the price of it. So this is how we added the product. You're gonna select the product type. Let's go with a, let's add it, I don't know, shoes. And vendor is Nike. Okay, and then you can like tags here, again, Nike, shoes, and you can add as much as you want. So let's click save. Nice. And now we create successful our first product. When you have it, let's create for ourselves our store. Now let's just click on online store. And when you will have it, go to theme library and you're gonna see like the free themes here. So you can just click explore free themes and you're gonna see like a lot of themes that you can use. And let's just start with the Brooklyn one. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, just choose which one you like. You can change the styles included classic and playful. I'm going to with a classic. Add the theme library. And then we're gonna select the Brooklyn here. And let's wait until it loads. And now just click actions, publish. Yes, we want to publish our website. And now as you can see, we got the Brooklyn website right now, and this is our actual website. And then I'm gonna see online store, and let's just click preview, and voila, here we see our website. So let's just play around it. First, what we're going to do, we are going to click edit homepage on the right down corner. So your Shopify store contains segments. The first one is header. Then we got like the slideshow here. Then we got a rich text, collection list of your products, featured collection, okay. And then we have featured product. So what you can do also is to move it, and we have a newsletter here and then a footer. What you can do is just move it freely where you want to move it. That's like really cool thing. Now, let's just get rid of everything. Like this, so we have only slideshow. So we are going to allow slideshow. We're definitely going to allow newsletter. Then we can have the feature collection and feature product, but we are going to move our feature product up here. So, and then I'm going to click on the feature product. I will select the product and I will select Nike shoes, select, and voila, here we got it. You can just easily like go full details now. So we have a Nike summer, Nike shoes to 20,000 summer edition. We would have like the featured collection here, subscribe to our newsletter, and we can also add the rich text here right under it. That's talking. And what you can do is you can easily add section here. So when I'm going to click add section, so we can add blog posts or collection list, featured collection, image with text, featured product, newsletter sign up, map, rich text, video, and custom HTML. If you would like to add your own code, like from site like L site, you have also link for that in the description. There's like adding a Facebook feed, Instagram feed for your website that you can do. So this is what you can do, and this is how you can create it and really play around it as much as you want. What I definitely recommend, guys, is check for the competition, right? Check how the competition is making everything, how their website looks like, and how you can inspire. Don't copy them, just inspire. And that's really important. So that's what I would recommend. So let's do our slides now. First, let's click slideshow, slide, select image. I'm going to upload the first photo I got here of my shoes. Okay. And then we're gonna like add a second slideshow, and voila, now it's starting to look good, right? Oh, so this is the first slide and second slide. Nice. So we have It's starting to look really good now. Then let's just edit the header here, and you can edit the text, edit the menu, the link, free delivery when order is above $100. Nice, looking good, right? Then I would also like edit the text here on the first slide. Header, come with us on journey. Nike epic shoes. Okay, that's good. And then you can like edit everything here. Also the newsletter, subscribe to our newsletter. And when I will go back to our store here, you can also add like the discount codes if you want to. And now create a discount code. Discount code Black Friday. Then you can go like fixed amount of free shipping, percentage, discount value, let's go 30%. You can go like specific products or entire order, specific collections, minimum purchase amount, and quantity items. Let's go like when you go on beyond 50. Customers, eligibility, everyone. You can also change the usage limits and active dates, like when it's going to start. And you can also set the end date. And then you just save the discount code. And you're gonna see right here, the Black Friday, 30% off entire order, minimum purchase of €50 for everyone. And this is pretty much how we do it. So we got our website store. It's like looking good. No, I didn't save it, so save it. You can also see how it looks on mobile or like the whole view. I will open the website here. And voila, it's looking really good now. So this is how we got it. Then you can also like create a blog post here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. But this is how we can create simple Shopify store in mere than 10 minutes. Have a great day and goodbye. I definitely recommend checking out all the other applications here that you can download using Overlaw, etc. Yeah, goodbye.